morning students. Today we shall discuss the chemical properties of glucose. First, reaction with HCN, hydrogen cyanide. Glucose is written in the short way, CHO, CHOH whole 4, CH2OH. Hydrogen carries positive charge and CN carries negative charge. This is a carbonyl group. C double bond O group is carbonyl group. Hydrogen comes on this oxygen atom and CN comes on this side, this carbon atom. So it forms COHCNH, CHOH whole 4, CH2OH, glucose cyanohydrate. Second, glucose reacts with HI in the presence of red phosphorus at 393 Kelvin. It gives normal hexane and 2-iodohexane. Normal hexane, normal means straight chain. Hex means 6 carbon atom chain. And 2-iodohexane. Hexane means 6 carbon atom. And second position पे क्या लगा हुआ है? Iodine लगा हुआ है, तो 2-iodohexane. And third, the glucose reacts with hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine, the formula of hydroxylamine NH2OH. This is an addition reaction in which, this is not addition reaction, this is the addition reaction. O from here and H2 from here is removed. It forms C double bond NOH. So glucose oxime. NOH group is called oxime group. So when glucose reacts with hydroxylamine, it gives glucose oxime. And next, glucose reacts with bromine water. Bromine water is mild oxidizing agent. When aldehyde group reacts with mild oxidizing agent, it gives carboxylic acid. In aldehyde group converted into carboxylic group when reacts with mild oxidizing agent like bromine water. When it reacts with strong oxidizing agent, it also converted into carboxylic group, and alcoholic group is also converted into COOH group. In this case, gluconic acid when oxidized, so CH2OH group, alcoholic group is also converted into COOH group. It forms saccharic acid. Next, reaction with HNO3. When glucose reacts with HNO3, HNO3 is strong oxidizing agent. In this aldehyde group and alcoholic group, both groups are converted into COOH group. So it forms saccharic acid. CHO group is also converted into COOH group and alcoholic group also converted into COOH group. So it forms saccharic acid. Next, glucose react with acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride is also called ethanoic anhydride, CH3CO, OCH3CO. We take 5 molecules of acetic anhydride. When glucose reacts with acetic anhydride, it forms glucose pentacetate. 4 hydrogen from here and 1 hydrogen from here are removed. It means 5 hydrogen removed होंगे and comes on this side. 4 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen, 5 hydrogen atom come on this side. It means it forms CH3COOH. Meaning 5 molecules of acetic acid are removed. Remaining 5 CH3CO group. In 5 CH3CO group, 4 are come this side and 1 comes this side. So it forms 4 COCH3 whole 4 and COCH3. यानी 4 आपके यहाँ आ गया और 1 यहाँ आ गया. So it forms glucose pentacetate. Acetate CH3COO. So CH3COO is the acetate group. CH3COO is also acetate group. So 5 means glucose pentacetate. I repeat all the properties again. When glucose reacts with HCN, it forms glucose glucose cyanohydrate. When glucose reacts with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it gives normal hexane. When glucose reacts with hydroxylamine, it gives glucose oxime. Glucose reacts with a mild oxidizing agent, it forms gluconic acid. Yani aldehyde group converted into carboxylic group. In glucose, when glucose reacts with strong oxidizing agent, it forms saccharic acid. In this reaction, CHO group and CH2OH, any alcoholic group and carboxylic both are converted into COOH group. It means after the oxidation, alcohol are converted into carboxylic group and aldehyde group also converted into carboxylic group. In glucose, the structure of glucose, react with acetic anhydride, it forms glucose pentacetate.